For millions of years, we've called this planet home. Its air fills our lungs, its rivers shape our stories, its soil carries the bones of our ancestors. But what if this was never where it began? What if the spark that became us came from far beyond the blue sky? A question as old as humanity itself. Are we children of Earth or travelers from the stars? Life thrives here in infinite forms, from the tiniest cell to the human mind that dares to question its own origin. But life's abundance doesn't answer the most haunting question of all. Did it start here, or did it arrive here? What if Earth wasn't the birthplace, but the nursery? If life didn't start here, where did it begin? For decades, a radical idea has hovered at the edge of science: panspermia. The theory that the seeds of life, microscopic, resilient, eternal, may have traveled across the void of space, riding on ancient comets, asteroids, even interstellar dust. On Earth, life requires perfect conditions: water, chemistry, stability. But the building blocks of life, they are everywhere. NASA has found amino acids, the same molecules that make our proteins, inside meteorites older than our planet. Frozen worlds like Enceladus and Europa eject water plumes rich with organic compounds into space every day. If these ingredients can form in the cold darkness between stars, then Earth may not be the cradle of life, only the nursery where it opened its eyes. And if that's true, the story of humanity didn't begin on this world. It began on a rock, drifting silently through space, carrying a microscopic spark waiting to ignite. Inside every cell of every living thing is a code. 4 simple letters: A, T, G, and C, repeated billions of times in endless combinations. DNA is the language of life. But what's truly astonishing is not just what it says, but how universal it is. From the tiniest microbe to the tallest redwood to the human mind itself, this same language is shared. This raises a question scientists can't ignore. Why is life's code so consistent? Did it originate in one single moment, long before Earth was ready for it? In 2013, a study suggested that the chemical precursors of DNA, adenine and guanine, are not unique to Earth at all. They've been found on meteorites older than our planet. It means the blueprint of life may not have been written here. It may have been drifting across the cosmos, waiting for a place to take root. If that's true, then inside every one of us isn't just the story of Earth. It's the story of the universe itself. For billions of years, life crawled, swam, and crept across the Earth in slow, patient steps. Then, something happened. In a blink of geological time, a creature emerged that painted on cave walls, shaped tools with purpose, and dreamed beyond the horizon. Us. To scientists, the path is written in bones and genomes, but there's a puzzle, a gap, in our evolutionary story, a missing link that doesn't quite explain the speed of our rise. Our closest relatives, chimpanzees, share 98% of our DNA. Yet the gulf between their world and ours is infinite. How did the spark of abstract thought, language, and civilization ignite so suddenly? Was it chance, a rare mutation, or something far stranger? Some speculate that the answer lies not in Earth's soil, but in the stars. That the genetic key turning apes into humans might not have been born here at all. If life's seed drifted across the cosmos, Could it have brought not just life, but intelligence itself? Every creature on this planet is bound to it by roots older than memory. The wolf and the wind, the tree and the soil, the salmon and the stream. But what if we are different? What if the bond between humanity and Earth isn't birthright, but adoption? If the spark that became us came from far away, then this planet is not our origin, it is our refuge. Does that make us strangers here? Or does it make this place even more precious? A sanctuary chosen by the universe itself to cradle us. And if we were not born of this soil, what does it say about our longing for the stars? Maybe our restless eyes and wandering hearts are not a coincidence. Maybe they are a memory. Maybe the cosmos itself is calling us home. Is this just a story, or is there science beneath the myth? The idea that life began elsewhere is not born of fantasy. In 1969, a meteorite crashed near Murchison, Australia. Inside were over 90 different amino acids, the raw ingredients of life, formed billions of years before Earth's first cells. Similar discoveries have been made in icy comets and interstellar dust. These findings make one thing clear. The universe doesn't just make stars. It makes chemistry that can become life. And then there are the stories. From the Dogon people of Mali, who spoke of Sirius's invisible companion star long before modern telescopes, to the Sumerian myths of beings who came from the sky and shaped humanity's destiny. Are these coincidences, cultural memory, or echoes of a truth too ancient to remember? Science gives us data. Myth gives us meaning. Somewhere between the two lies the possibility that we are not just children of Earth, but children of the cosmos. If our story did not begin on Earth, then what does that make us? Are we wanderers, cosmic orphans drifting until we found a home? Or are we messengers, carrying a spark from a world long forgotten, meant to ignite life wherever we land? Every heartbeat, every breath we take is borrowed from this planet, yet something in us still looks beyond it. We map the stars, we dream of other worlds, we build machines to cross the black ocean above. Why? Maybe because we are not only of Earth. Maybe deep within our DNA, written in a language older than the oceans, is a memory of the stars that birthed us. And if that is true, then every time we look up at the night sky, we aren't just staring into space, we are staring into the mirror. Earth is the only home we've ever known. Its oceans raised us, its skies sheltered us. Whether we were born of its soil or carried here by starlight, it doesn't matter. Because now, we are its guardians. If the spark of life came from beyond, then Earth is not just our planet. It's a sanctuary chosen by the universe itself. A cradle to protect the fire until we are ready to carry it forward. So maybe the question isn't where we come from, but where we are going. One day, when we set sail into the cosmic ocean and touch new worlds, we may find the answer. Or we may find that the answer is us. Children of Earth, children of the stars, forever looking up